In English, when you speak about dates or write dates, there are some rules to follow. Now, what are they? And how do you avoid confusion between American English and British English? Well, that's what you'll learn today. Hi, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, where we eliminate what's blocking you and increase your confidence in business English step by step. How do I say and write the date correctly? This question actually came up 2 times with members of my Faster Fluency Conversation Club. And both times, the question came from advanced students because sometimes you just need a quick little reminder of, those little things in English. First step, a quiz. Now, careful, there's a trick. When is this date? Is it January 12th, 2021? Or is it the 1st of December, 2021? The answer is, you ready? Both. What? Now, let me clarify. Step 2. In American and Canadian English, we write the dates as month, date, year. So 1/12/2021 is January 12th, 2021. And did you notice how I said the date there? January 12th, 2021. That's the most common way that we say it in American English. Month, date, year. And that's maybe why we also write it that way. And I mean, for once, hey, at least the way you write it sounds like the way that you say it. Never mind. That's a pronunciation joke, teacher, humor. Yeah, okay. Let's continue. Because now it's your turn. In American English, how do you say these dates? That's October 31st, 2021. My favorite holiday, Halloween. Now what about this date? That's February 14th, 2021, Valentine's Day. So, if you exchange emails or documents with your American colleagues and you're planning dates for a project, keep that order in mind. Month, date, year. Step 3, British and international formats. If you're working with British colleagues or, honestly, most of the rest of the world, you often see the date written like this. So what is that date? Most of the world sees that date as the 1st of December, 2021. Date, month, year. And finally, step 4, avoiding confusion. Are you still worried about confusing these dates or making a mistake? And what about if you're writing an email to American colleagues and British colleagues at the same time? Month, day, year, or day, month, year? There's an easy way to avoid any confusion. It's very simple. Whenever possible, just write the name of the month like this. 1st December 2021 or December 1st, 2021. You can use either one. It honestly does not matter because there's no way that anyone can confuse the date if you write it like that. So there you go. A quick and simple reminder for something that you probably use maybe almost every day at work. But now you're one step closer to feeling more confident in business English. Now, before you go, can I ask you 2 things? If you enjoyed this lesson, go to ChristinaRobuffet.com and sign up for my free newsletter so that I can continue helping you to become confident in business English with more lessons like this. And the second thing, let's take a few more steps together to continue increasing your confidence. I created a playlist for you to help you master once and for all key business situations that you probably encounter often, like how to introduce yourself in English, how to answer the phone confidently and correctly, how to deal with Zoom and Skype problems quickly and efficiently in English for all those video conferences that you're doing. Just click over there on that playlist and continue learning with me. And I will see you in the next video.